American home buyers and consumers love the look of wood floors, but they also like low maintenance. Hi, I'm Nigel Maynard. I'm the editor of Products as well as Custom Builder magazine. And we're here today at IBS 2020 in Las Vegas, and we're going to be visiting with Mohawk, who has a product with some innovations that give homeowners the look of wood with some low maintenance as well as some other features not found in other products. Let's go have a look. So Tom Kelly, we're here at the Mohawk booth and we're here to talk about RevWood.
That's correct.
What is so great about RevWood?
The greatest things about RevWood is that it allows the end user to have a floor that they basically cannot damage. It is scratch proof, it is dent proof, and in certain levels it's waterproof as well.
Okay, so the idea is that RevWood, it looks like wood, but it performs like something else.
Correct. It looks just like wood. There's a lot of wood particles made into this product,
okay,
but it performs like nothing else on the market.
Okay. Tell me, how would a builder use it once they specify it for their houses? Where would they put it? That sort of thing.
Okay, so the benefits of RevWood is that it allows you to use it in every room in the house. Not just limited to bedrooms, you're not just limited to the living room or the dining room. This can be used in bathrooms, it can be used in kitchens, because in our RevWood Select and Plus versions, it's waterproof.
So tell me about the technology that goes into it, because it is a laminate product.
Correct.
But you're saying that it doesn't perform like the typical laminate, right?
Well, not the typical laminate, but the laminates that were first generation.
Okay.
These products now are manufactured entirely different, and they're manufactured using a pine base and then with a laminate top, which we use with a substrate called corundum, which is very hard to scratch. It's the second hardest substrate next to a diamond.
Performance benefits for the homeowner. So for the builder or the installer, is there anything that they can do that this product offers that others don't?
Well, there's many aspects of it. From a design standpoint, the visuals and the number of styles the builder can achieve, there's nothing like it in hardwood. You can't do it. Okay. From a cost standpoint, it's much more cost effective than traditional hardwood. So there's a cost savings to the builder and the end user as well.
So what about the installation technology on this one?
So the installation technology, and I'm just going to grab the regular standard RevWood.
Okay.
This is our entry-level product, RevWood. It's 8 millimeters. And what you have there is the click system. So this can be installed very simply. You and I could do it right now if we wanted to. That's what we're standing on, is a RevWood product. And it clicks together and it creates that waterproof seal. And because it is a little bit thicker, as you stand on it, it sounds, it feels like real wood.
Okay, so now for those viewers who don't exactly know how a laminate floor comes, explain the millimeter thickness, the good versus the bad.
Well, in typical laminate floors, you have a thick floor, it's millimeters of floor, and then you have a mils wear layer.
Right.
And you typically want a little bit thicker of a floor for soundproofing.
Okay.
So that's why we make this product as much as 12 millimeters thick.
Okay.
So you get a more realistic sounding floor.
Okay. So tell me about the options, widths, lengths, colors.
Hundreds of colors. More
Give
colors,
me a number.
More colors than I know, 400.
400 colors,
400.
okay.
And we manufacture this product in various widths and lengths. This is our entry-level product. It's manufactured in 5 1/4 width, all the way up to our RevWood Plus Castlefield collection, which is 9 7/16 inches wide and 90 inches long.
Okay. So I guess the idea, if it's a large space, you will have fewer seams.
Correct. And just a better visual, that nice wide flank flooring that everybody seems to like these days.
Okay. So the product is called RevWood.
Revolutionary wood.
V as in Victor, wood.
Correct. RevWood.
And it's available now.
It is available now.
Well, Tom, thank you very much for talking
nice
to me. This is Nigel Maynard coming to you from IBS 2020 here in Las Vegas.